Eustace, mind giving me a hand?
What is it? I'm busy.
You're quite the gentleman, Courage.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, isn't that lovely?
If you found it on my property, dog, it's mine.
Ooh. Oh, my.
Let's see what my new necklace is worth.
The Cariana love locket, a medieval antique, very valuable.
Whoa! I'm selling it.
But be warned, a curse will befall anyone who removes the necklace. It will separate two departed lovers in the grave. Unless the necklace is returned, the guilty will be separated from their loved ones forever.
Who cares? I'm gonna be rich! Filthy rich! Oh, my new loved ones! Over my dead body!
Oh, my. It reminds me of the Highlands as a wee girl.
We don't want any! No!
What if someone needs our help?
Cariana!
Yes.
Cariana!
Stupid fog!
Courage!
Muriel! Ouch!
Courage! Courage! Courage!
What? Can a man be alone with his jewelry?
Cariana!
Courage! Eustace! Where are you, lads? Just like a wee girl.
Make me an offer! Finders keepers!
Courage? Is that you?
The things I do for love! You stupid dog!
Cariana!
What's happened to Eustace?
Filthy rich! I'm rich! Filthy rich! What?
Clariana?
Get off my property! Stupid fog!